Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce touchscreen Android 9 Pie system special for Subaru, Outback, Legacy, 29 to 2070 years. Okay, here is box. Let me unbox review. 29 to 2014 years. Okay, let me do the unbox review. You can check header unit with good condition. The package. Okay. This is header unit and harness. Let me show the harness it first. Okay, you can check this Subaru power cable. Nissan Subaru power cable, special for Legacy and Outback. This connector connects our back of header units. This may power speaker and power. You can check. Okay. This is radio antenna. Okay. This wire you can check amplifier Subaru. This connector and this break-in we already do it in the header unit. This reverse in camera, orange and black wire, backup camera, power 12 voltage. Okay. Header unit will come with external microphone, GPS antenna, this is camera input, RCA type. This connect our back of header units. This is AUX input. This connect back of header units. And this video input, this AUX input, left and right. Okay, this audio cable, this connector our back of header unit. This subwoofer. This video out 1 and video out 2. This video out left and right, front and rear. Okay, this is audio cable. Let me show the header units. This driver agent. Okay, you can check this front header unit. This DVD slot, this knob, this power volume, this microphone, built-in microphone. this reset hole. Okay, and the home back button and the other button, you can check that. Okay, and this side can check this 2 screw. Please take out 2 screw before installing. It's the fixed DVD in the shippings. Okay, it's built-in DVD player. There is 2 USB cable. You can check 2 USB and external microphone. This cable, long cable. Okay, let me check. This radio antenna, these connectors, this connector for USB, and the other connector for audio and other. This Wi-Fi. This fuse is power this GPS antenna. Okay. Let me power with 12 voltage. Okay, you can check the head unit on. Okay. Let me find something fixed. Okay, you can check this head unit front panel. It's silver color. Okay. You can taskbar. You can adjust the brightness, dark, bright. Okay. Please take out this screen protector before using. This. Okay. You can check very fast response. Okay, let me check it. Built in the data and time. You can set data and time. You can change it when you connect the GPS antenna, GPS and the Wi-Fi. It will update the date and time automatically. This radio. Long press, you will get the radio stations. This band. This amplifier. Okay. You can check. You can install application APK installer from when you connect USB. You can download from USB. Install it. Also, you can install application by Google Play Store. It's built in Google Play Store. You can check Play Store. Okay, It's built in Google Maps and Bluetooth. Stream music from your phone. Easy connection for mirror link. Back to home. Let's check and video out. It supports the video out because it have DVD player. Okay. Let's check the settings. About machine, you can check this curve variant, MCU variant, CPU octa-core, memory size 4GB. Model is PX5, Android 9 Pie system. Okay, let's back. This bat machine, let me check the storage. You can check this total 64GB total ROM. Okay, it's built-in Wi-Fi. You can connect Wi-Fi and support hotspot from your phone. Car settings. Personal setting, you can play music automatically if you set it. It's for ACC memory. If you choose runtime, when you back the car, it will start fast just 1 second. It's LED settings. You can choose red, green, blue. You can check this button changed, orange. And any color you can adjust this panel. I choose red. Okay. Driving settings, you can check this reverse volume. Turn on watch video. You can turn on the watch video. This phone backup camera, rear view ruler, tracking display, X mirror. It's steering wheel control. You can set the steering wheel button on this panel. Steering wheel control settings. Okay. Factory setting. Upgrade and restore. You can restore system, original system. You can restore if you have a problem. And other settings. Okay, that's all. Thank you.